Let's look at question number 14. A very, very interesting question to my mind, a beautifully framed question. What they've done is they've given you 3 power a equals to 4, 4 power b is equals to 5, 5 power c is equals to 6, and so on and so forth. And then they are asked you the value of a, b, c, d, e, f. Now, the moment you write this, it will start speaking for itself as to what are we supposed to. Look at this. 3 power a turns out to be equals to what? 4. 4 power b turns out to be equals to 5. 5 power c is turning out to be equals to 6, and 6 power d is turning out to be equals to 7. 7 power e is turning out to be equals to 8, and 8 power f is turning out to be equals to 9. Now start from this for last one where you say 9 is equals to 8 to the power of f, correct? Now from this, can we write 8 power f once again in another term? 8 power f will become 7 power e to the ef, correct? So 8 power f becomes equals to 7 to the power of ef. Now go back to this equation and raise this equation to the power of ef. So it will give you what? 7 to the power of ef is equals to 6 to the power of def. So this is turning out to be 6 to the power of def. Look at this once again. It's the same thing we have to continue to repeat. Raise this equation to the power of def. So what will you get? 6 to the power of def. And on the left hand side, what will you get? You'll get 5 to the power of cdef. So we are getting what? 5 to the power of cdef. Now once again, over here, we will do the same thing. 5 to the power of cdef will give me what? 4 to the power of bcdef. Now, if I get 4 to the power of bcdef, it will become what? 3 to the power of abcdef, right? And look at this. At the end, you had a 9. So what will happen to a, b, c, d, e, f? It will become equals to 2, right? So we need to also understand that manually or by any other calculation, we will not be able to find out the values of a, b, c, d, e effectively, right? So we will have to look at manipulating the given equations to get down to that particular value, and that gives you an idea how to go about doing this question. The answer to this question is 2.